Hello, so today I'm coming on to show you our new Maelle powder foundation. Let me show you what it looks like. This is our beige and it comes with a little sponge to put it on. So I'm gonna start off by doing some concealer first because I have adult acne, which is super fun when you are trying to fight wrinkles and acne at the same time. It just is not very nice by Mother Nature. So this concealer is Tarte, the Rainforest of the Sea. I'm just gonna try and cover some of this stuff up. I really hope I get to use this as a still shot for my video. So I'm just gonna pat this in real fast and then we'll go over and do the powder foundation in just a second. And this one, the powder foundation just came out this week. So I actually haven't even really tried it yet. I usually use liquid because I have acne. It's just more forgiving, but we'll see what it does on my face. Okay, this is a sponge by Maëlle as well. So let's get started. I don't usually do powder, so we'll see how this goes. I'm gonna use this sponge just because that's what it came with, but you can also use a brush too. And this is super lightweight too, especially compared to the liquid foundation. I did get this one a little bit darker than what my skin tone is right now, just because we are going into summer and I get really tan in the summer, so I don't want to switch like a week or two from now. It's really nice though. It's very breathable and soft. And again, if I'm gonna be going out somewhere, I'll probably do the liquid, but just for every day around town, this is a really nice, easy, quick cover for your face. Just gonna put some on my neck here. Don't want that line. That's it, pretty simple. So I'm just gonna finish it off with our contour kit. This is one of my favorite products that we have. So this is Maëlle again, and this one I've used a ton, so you can tell. We have our darker color for our contour. This color is a great one for just all over, and also I like to use it as a base for my eyeshadow. And then you have a blush and a highlight. So I'm just gonna start with the contour. I'm not gonna do it too dark today. This is our angled brush. I'm gonna just get our bigger fluffy brush, and I like to mix these two colors together, and it just helps to soften that line. And then throw some blush on above. And then our highlight. A little on the nose, top of the lips, and there's that, and then I'm going to put some eyeshadow on, or not eyeshadow, I'm gonna do some mascara real fast. Just keep it very simple today. And the mascara has a curved wand, which is the best if anybody has one like that. And our mascara is very lightweight, so it doesn't feel like it's weighing down your eyelashes. My eyes water very, very easily. And so I like that this one does not make my eyes water. Again, this is just a very simple, easy look just to cover some stuff up for around town. I usually do 2 coats of our mascara just to get a little bit darker. And we have brown and black mascara. Gotta love the faces you make when you do mascara too. Gotta get the bottom lashes. Okay, and that's it. Super simple, natural look for just around town. And again, this is Maëlle. The foundation was in beige, and then our highlight and contour kit and our mascara. So that is it. Very, very simple, lightweight, very, very easy.